kids! Are you ready to play a fun game? At Kids Heaven Paradise TV, we're going to find the numbers! From 11 all the way to 20. Let's go! Look around, what do you see? Numbers hiding. 1, 2, 3. Can you find number 11? Point to it. Yes, that's 11. Woo! Where is 12? Take a look. Is it hiding by a book? Great job! You found 12. Can you spot 13? Maybe on the screen. Clap your hands. You got it right. Where is 14? Look around. Up high or on the ground. Yes, you found 14. Nice work. Find number 15. Don't be late. Is it hiding by the gate? Awesome. You're doing great. We so proud of you at Kids Heaven Paradise TV. Find the numbers. Come and play. 11 to 20. Hip, hip, hooray. Now let's find number 16. Show me quick. Where has it been? Yes, you found it. Good job. 17 is hiding too. Did you find it? Yes, you do. Look for 18. Take your time. You're doing great. Just like a rhyme. You made it. Great job. Kids Heaven Paradise TV are proud of you. Where is 19? Look again. You found it. Yay, my friend. Now the last one. Number 20. Look around. There are plenty. Shout it loud. 20. Find the numbers. Come and play. 11 to 20. Hip hooray. Point and shout. Don't be slow. Let's find numbers. Go, go, go. Ready now? Let's go fast. Find 11. Find 12. Find 13. Find 14. Keep it going. Don't be slow. 15, 16, 17, 18. Almost there. Let's go again. 19, 20. Wow! You found them all again. Find the numbers. Shout it loud. You are making us so proud. Clap your hands, and stomp your feet. Learning numbers is so sweet. Let's play a silly game. Can you find 11 on your head? Can you find 12? Before I said go! Find 13 while spinning round. Find 14 without a sound. Find 15 and jump up high. Find 16 and touch the sky. Find 17, wave hello. Find 18, nice and slow. Find 19, march in place. Find 20, big smile on your face. Find the numbers, yes you can. You're the best number fan. Let's count them all one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You did it! Find the numbers, you did great. 11 to 20, celebrate. Dance around and sing it loud. You are number stars, so proud. Great job, kids. Hip, hip, hooray. You found all the numbers today. Come back soon and play again with your number-loving friends. Thank you for watching, kids.